Hey guys, so this is the update on my potatoes in containers. So each container has two seeds and they are all sprouting. I guess the other one is coming right here. Oh, right there. So this one, you can see the brown spot that was actually sprouted, and then a cold snap came in, like nights were in 30 or 29, and that's when they all turn black. But now I'm happy that it's still chilly, about 55 a day, nights are in 40s, but they're coming out. The other one this side, right here. So this one, I think it's coming out here, right here, and here, maybe tomorrow. And the best one so far, this one came. It came just at the right moment. All the cold snaps were gone and it came out. Well, let's hope for a little bit warm spring.